Take your visuals from ordinary to extraordinary. Are you looking to produce stunning visuals for your social media content? Over the next few minutes, I will go over 3 points to help you level up your content. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, don't forget to send me a message and I'll send over a guide with tips you can start applying to your business today. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas that you can implement right away after watching my videos. The first tip is to understand the power of colors. Colors evoke emotions and set the mood for your content. They can be used to draw attention, express your brand personality, and evoke a specific response from your viewers. For example, did you know that red tends to evoke strong emotions while blue suggests trust and dependability? Start by creating a color palette that aligns with your brand identity and use it consistently across all your visuals. Next, let's talk about composition and balance. A well-composed image is much more appealing and can drastically improve engagement. Understand the rule of thirds. Use symmetry and patterns and play with lines and shapes. Balance doesn't always mean symmetry, but rather creating a visual flow that guides the viewer's eyes across the image. You don't need to be a professional photographer to master these techniques. Simple tweaks in how you compose your visuals can make the world of difference. Lastly, quality matters. Always strive for the highest quality visuals. This applies to every detail from the resolution of your images to the aesthetics of your design. Grainy, pixelated, or poorly lit images can harm your brand's image and engagement rate. Even if you're creating visuals on a budget, there are many free and inexpensive resources available, such as Canva for designing high-quality graphics or Unsplash for free, high-resolution photos. Remember, your visual reflects your brand, so make sure they are top-notch. Don't forget to send me a message and I'll send you over a guide with tips you can start applying to your business today. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.